Hi, this next one is on yard sales or garage sales. I'm blessed to live in Southern California where these yard sales go on like year round. So if you wanted to go get up early on a Saturday and maybe there's some niche specific knowledge you have about things you could buy and resell, again on any selling platform from eBay to Amazon to Craigslist to social media groups, different apps on your phone, have another yard sale yourself, you could do it and make some extra money. And I've had kids in my class, I share my story with these videos. They've done it themselves and made a lot of money, and that's or a little bit of money. At least it's a start. To listen to their stories, their eyes get all big, they're excited that they were able to sell something and make some money. And I think it's a great skill to have. I gotta tell you, my key for my success, and I learned it from another guy, Glendon Cameron, you could type it in. He was an old storage auction guy himself on the internet. It's the email list. So once people came to my yard sales, I'd get their name, a phone number, what they're looking for, and the email, phone number I should say. And so when I get ready to have a sale, I go off my list, which is like maybe 200 names, and I send them a little brief email and a link to a Craigslist or any other way of showing the pictures of what I have for sale. And I don't have to advertise. I sell everything. Everything that I have goes, and then I donate what's left, or the rest is trash. So from doing all the storage auctions, cleaning out people's stuff, I'm able to mine it for some dollars to do some nice things, end up in Cabo San Lucas with my family. And this is from yard sales. And I'm gonna tell you what, decluttering your life, it's like a mental enema, getting rid of stuff. Listen, guys and gals, we're all gonna go. Don't leave a big pile of trash to your family to get rid of some things. And if you got some nice things, some collectibles as you get older, hey, give them away before you leave, man. Watch the smile on people's faces when they get that stuff. So anyway, yard sales work. You got to do the work. You can either buy stuff at yard sales to flip. You could have them at your home or where you live. Figure it out. I just wanted to share though that the email list of names that you collect if you're going to be someone who does regular yard sales, it's way, way powerful and will help you get rid of that stuff. Thank you.